How can having operators with years of experience be a detriment? That sounds pretty crazy, right? In our world, most of our prospects have automated processes. So this means that they have determined that there are certain parameters that are a must have in order for their process to be stable and produce repeatable results. Some of these include flow rates, pressure, formulation of the paint or coating, and even the amount of paint or coating that they're applying to a part. Well, what happens on that cold morning in January when your coating is too thick or it's not flowing out right? Well, your experienced operator might add more solvent because he knows that's going to lower the viscosity. But what about that blistering afternoon in August when the paint is too hot and you can't cover a part? Your experienced operator knows that he can make a few adjustments, or even turn up the volume on the paint to compensate. The compensations might work for that immediate problem, but over the course of a year, what is it really costing you to arbitrarily add solvent or to increase the film build? Not to mention other quality concerns that these could lead to. So if your process requires constant adjustments made by operators with years of experience, then you just might have hidden costs, and it might be time to look for an innovative solution.